Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt for you.
There's not much I can do with it banded up so tight.
Yeah, I know.
Most of this work will be done inside. Alright, let's just take it inside.
To the inside.
My tray's down there at the bottom of the slide.
Oh no! You gonna go for it? Oh, that's funny.
Let's go.
Gotta thank Aria for that one.
Yeah. That's okay.
Head it inside now with some warm water and just start to unband it. You can really rinse this one out very well outside because it's so tight, like you said. You really banded that one up excellent there.
I did.
I do say so myself.
So far, so good.
Whoa! That's pretty cool. Well, it's not too bad. She was worried that he left too much light. I don't know. I think it looks pretty cool. And here's the final result. Check that out. Cool. Didn't turn out too bad. She wasn't as happy with it because she left a little more white than she had wanted. It's a constant struggle. You know, she wants to leave a little bit of white, but she doesn't want to leave, I guess, quite this much. I think it came out pretty good because it's supposed to just look like vertical lines on a TV, and that's pretty much what it looks like. So I thought it came out pretty good, but you know, not quite enough color in it. The color, it's not that we used the wrong colors or anything like that. It's when you have one that's this tight, you know, banded up this tight, it's hard to get the color all the way to the middle. And that's why you'll notice the lines are so pronounced, but the inside of the pleats are not. So she just should have used a little more dye, but that's okay. You live and you learn. And when you're tie-dyeing, there's no such thing as failure, as long as your shirt's still in one piece. But anyways, Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.